This is the first time I've done a video for a review, but because sound is an issue, I thought you guys might like to see this little fan and how well it works and what it sounds like. So let's bring it into the light, a bit more into the light. This is it. This is it. It has a USB that I have plugged into a USB in my system here. You see it plugged in down there. That's it, plugged into the side, and then it fits right underneath, like right here underneath this. And this is how you turn it on and off, and you can swivel it like this. And I'll show you. This is how you turn it on. And that is low. That's low. Does this have... No, it's too stiff. I don't know. I don't really have anything to put in front of it. But it's pretty strong. And then we have this one. You hear the noise, and this is high. That's it going up. So there's medium, that's high. This is medium, low, medium, high, off. Nice little fan. I like the simplicity of it, and it's very small, fits right on my desk, quiet, works great.